Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You must be the account owner or parent to change controls. First, sign in with the account that created the Roblox profile. If you are the parent, use your parent email and password. Make sure you have the 4-digit parental PIN or access to the parent email to request a reset. Once signed in, navigate immediately to Settings. There is no point pausing. Gather these credentials and keep the device online for verification steps coming next. You'll find the controls under Settings, then Privacy or Security depending on platform. Once there, turn off account restrictions or raise the age limit and relax chat filters. These options explain why certain features were blocked. Make sure you follow prompts to verify with the parent email or enter the 4-digit PIN, because Roblox requires confirmation to prevent unauthorized changes. Take your time on each toggle, once you've changed settings, sign out and sign back in so changes propagate to all devices. Test the features you needed and make sure safety options still match what you want. Parents should keep chat filters or contact limits if desired. If a PIN was lost, request a reset through the parent email or use Roblox support to verify account ownership. Do not attempt to circumvent controls. If something fails, contact support with proof of ownership for a proper resolution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.